Ever lost critical footage after a hit-and-run incident? Or struggled proving fault after nighttime accidents on the road? Phone videos blur, angles miss, license plates, insurers doubt. You need clear, continuous evidence you can trust. Old cams lack night detail and wide-angle coverage. Slow downloads and shaky apps waste precious time. Parking hits vanish overnight. Recordings get overwritten without warning. Setup feels complicated, and warranties feel uncertain for many buyers. Meet TERUNSOUL 4K+4K cam front and rear. True dual-channel 3840x2162. Recording captures both directions simultaneously. 170-degree ultra-wide lens captures entire 6-lane road scenes, front f1.5 and rear f1.8. Apertures boost night brightness, enhanced WDR delivers vibrant colors and clearer low-light details. Comes with pre-installed 128GB card, supports up to 512GB loop recording and G-sensor lock. Emergency files automatically. Manual lock button secures important incidents with one-touch 3-inch IPS screen. Shows speed, compass, and live view. Built-in GPS overlays routes, speeds, and location data. Use the TERUNSOUL app to preview and download instantly. Dual-band 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi transfers files 4 times faster. Time-lapse parking mode watches your car all day. G-sensor detects collisions, automatically locks footage for evidence. Clear license plates and faces, even in low-light conditions. Easy install with magnetic suction mount. Ready in minutes. Ideal for rideshare drivers, fleet managers, safety-conscious owners. Includes 18-month warranty and 24/7 customer support access. Remember, parking mode needs optional hardwire kit for full protection. Power cable provided for cigarette lighter. Type-C sold separately. Get reliable 4K evidence, faster downloads, and peace of mind. Click to learn more and secure your TERUNSOUL cam today. If you're interested in purchasing it, click on the link in the description.